Have you ever noticed how some people carry an unshakable, while others doubt themselves at every turn? The difference isn't luck, talent, or intelligence. It's the voice inside their head. Today, we're going to tackle a problem that affects millions silently every day. The way your inner voice shapes your self-esteem, decisions, and even your destiny. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to turn your inner dialogue from a quiet saboteur into your greatest ally. Your inner voice is not just a mental background. It is the lens through which you experience the world. It quietly narrates every event in your life, interpreting successes, failures, and even neutral situations. Most people underestimate its influence, thinking that thoughts are harmless or fleeting. But the truth is, the inner voice can either empower you to take bold steps or silently sabotage your dreams. Consider this. Two people receive the same feedback at work. One hears, "You could have done better," and their inner voice responds with, "I'm not good enough, I'll never succeed." That the other hears the same words and thinks, "This is a chance to learn and grow." The difference isn't the external feedback, it's the interpretation driven by the inner dialogue. Over time, repeated negative self-talk creates a self-fulfilling prophecy, shaping decisions, confidence, and the ability to embrace opportunities. Your inner voice also influences how you react under pressure. When faced with challenges, people with a critical inner voice tend to panic, doubt themselves, or avoid action. Those with an encouraging inner voice approach the same challenge with curiosity, resilience, and confidence. The tone, content, and consistency of your self-talk directly affect not only your mindset but your performance and relationships. The first step to harnessing this power is awareness. Start noticing the voice in your head. What does it say when you make a mistake? When you meet someone new? When you try something unfamiliar? Often the inner voice is repetitive, echoing phrases and beliefs formed years ago. These patterns, if unchecked, quietly define your personality and how you are perceived by others. Awareness allows you to interrupt these patterns, examine their validity, and consciously choose a different narrative. Next is understanding the emotional impact of your inner voice. Thoughts are never neutral, they carry feelings. Negative self-talk fuels anxiety, self-talk fuels anxiety, self-doubt, and stress, which manifest in physical tension, indecision, or withdrawal. Positive self-talk fuels motivation, clarity, and courage. But balloons on the street. When you consistently reinforce encouraging constructive thoughts, you are not just changing your mental habits, you are reshaping your personality, your actions, and ultimately your life. Another aspect is the long-term compounding effect. Just as small savings grow over time through interest, repeated thoughts shape character and outcomes over years. If your inner voice constantly criticizes, it slowly erodes confidence, self-respect, and ambition. But if it supports, guides, and motivates, it gradually builds resilience, charisma, and the ability to navigate life's challenges with grace. Finally, understanding your inner voice requires recognizing that it is not infallible. Thoughts are not always facts, they are interpretations. The critical voice that tells you, "I can't" or "I'm not enough," is simply a habit of thinking, not a statement of reality. By observing, questioning, and redirecting this voice, you begin to reclaim control over your decisions, actions, and self-image. Awareness of this inner dialogue is the first step in transforming it from a quiet saboteur into a powerful ally that guides you toward your fullest potential. Once you understand the power of your inner voice, the next step is to actively shape it in your favor. Negative self-talk is like a hidden autopilot steering your life toward doubt, fear, and missed opportunities. The words you silently repeat to yourself and you repeat to yourself every day: I can't, I'm not good enough, I always fail, gradually become the lens through which you see the world. They are not just thoughts, they're instructions to your brain on how to respond, how to act, and even how to feel. Replacing these harmful patterns doesn't mean pretending you're perfect or ignoring challenges. It means speaking to yourself in a way that encourages growth, courage, and resilience. Think of it as retraining your mind, teaching it that it is safe to try, safe to learn, and capable of overcoming obstacles. The moment you catch yourself thinking negatively, pause and consciously reframe it. For instance, instead of saying, I'm terrible at this, say, I'm learning and each step brings me closer to mastery. Words like these are small seeds. Over time, they grow into confidence, determination, and a magnetic personality that others notice. The secret to effective self-talk lies in specificity and clarity. Broad statements like, I'm useless or I'm always failing are vague and crushing. They attack your self-worth without offering guidance. But if you replace them with clear, actionable phrases, I didn't get this right today, but I know how to improve for next time. You give your mind direction, not judgment. This subtle shift transforms your inner narrative from destructive criticism into constructive guidance. Consistency is key. Your brain is wired to respond to repetition. Just as a negative inner voice became automatic through years of habit, a positive voice also becomes second nature with practice. Start small, pick one empowering phrase each day. Repeat it when self-doubt creeps in and consciously reflect on its impact. Over weeks, these words begin to replace the old patterns, creating a personality that radiates confidence, calm, and optimism. It's equally important to speak to yourself with compassion during setbacks. Mistakes, failures, and disappointments are inevitable. Your inner dialogue should guide you, not punish you. Instead of thinking, I can't believe I messed up again, try, this is a moment to learn and do better next time. The shift may feel subtle at first, but it fundamentally changes how you respond to challenges. People are naturally drawn to those who handle adversity with grace, patience, and self-respect. And your inner voice sets the tone for this behavior. Finally, remember that empowering self-talk is not only about words, it's about belief and emotion. When you speak positively to yourself, align your thoughts and feelings with your words. Feel the encouragement, the confidence, and the possibility behind your phrases. The inner voice is most effective when it resonates deeply with your emotions, deeply with your emotions, creating a sense of purpose and self-belief that propels you forward. By consciously replacing negative self-talk with empowering words, you are not just changing your thoughts, you are transforming your personality, your decisions, and ultimately your life once you start replacing negative self-talk with empowering words. The next critical step is to cultivate self-compassion. Many people think self-compassion is just being soft or forgiving yourself without accountability. In balloons on the street, in balloons on the strongest forces for personal growth. It is the practice of treating yourself with the same kindness, patience, and understanding that you would offer to someone you genuinely care about. Your inner voice should be your greatest supporter, not your harshest critic. Self-compassion begins with awareness of your inner judgments. Notice how often you criticize yourself, even silently. Perhaps it's about your appearance, your mistakes, or your perceived shortcomings. This awareness isn't for shame. It's the first step toward change. It's the first step toward change. When you catch yourself thinking, I'm not good enough, or I always mess up, pause and consciously respond with understanding rather than blame. Say to yourself, it's okay, I'm learning, I'm human. Simple phrases like these slowly rewire your mental patterns, creating a personality grounded in resilience and emotional stability. Another essential aspect is acknowledging your mistakes without over-identifying with them. Everyone fails at some point, and every setback is an opportunity to grow. Self-compassion allows you to separate your worth from your errors. Instead of thinking, I failed, so I'm a failure, you start to say, I made a mistake, but this doesn't define me. What can I learn? This shift in perspective is transformative because it protects your confidence while still encouraging personal growth. People are naturally drawn to those who navigate life with calm and composure, and self-compassion is the foundation of this demeanor. Building self-compassion also involves forgiving your past and releasing perfectionism. Many people speak negatively about themselves because they are holding on to old regrets or comparing themselves to impossible standards. Forgiveness in this context doesn't mean forgetting. It means in acknowledging the past, learning from it, and choosing not to let it dictate your self-worth. When your inner voice becomes a source of guidance rather than punishment, you gain clarity, motivation, and emotional strength. Your personality begins to radiate calmness and self-assurance. Attracting respect and admiration from others, daily practice strengthens self-compassion. It could be as simple as starting your day with a positive affirmation, journaling your emotions without judgment, or reflecting on your achievements, no matter how small. Over time, these consistent habits transform your inner dialogue from a critical taskmaster to a supportive mentor. You begin to face challenges with courage, embrace opportunities without fear, and maintain balance even under pressure. Self-compassion, combined with empowering self-talk, gradually reshapes your personality into one that is confident, approachable, and inspiring. Finally, self-compassion nurtures a deep, authentic connection with yourself. When your inner voice encourages rather than criticizes, you feel more aligned, purposeful, and motivated. This internal harmony is reflected in every interaction, decision, and action. Others naturally sense this energy. They are drawn to your calm, confident, and empathetic presence. By practicing self-compassion daily, you are not just improving your mindset, you are transforming your entire life, creating a personality that can thrive in any situation and attract the success and happiness you deserve. The final piece of transforming your inner voice into a life-changing force is alignment between your thoughts and your actions. Your inner dialogue is powerful, but if it doesn't translate into consistent behavior, its impact is limited. A positive inner voice must guide real choices and actions. Otherwise, it remains wishful thinking. Personality grows not just from what you think, but from what you do when no one is watching. Alignment begins with intention, the word selling balloons on the street, awareness of your decisions. Notice where your thoughts are not reflected in your behavior. Perhaps you tell yourself, I am capable, but avoid opportunities that challenge you. Or you say, I am confident, yet shrink from speaking up in important conversations. Each gap between thought and action reinforces self-doubt and weakens your inner authority. By consciously choosing actions that reflect your empowering thoughts, you reinforce the credibility of your inner voice and strengthen your personality. Next, it requires consistent practice. Small, deliberate actions repeated over time create habits, and habits define character. When your inner voice encourages courage, taking even minor risks in alignment with that voice builds momentum. For example, if your inner voice tells you, I am worthy of connection, if your inner voice tells you, I am worthy of connection, you might initiate a conversation with someone new or express your ideas openly. Each aligned action reinforces your self-image, demonstrating to yourself and others that your inner voice is reliable and trustworthy. Over time, these actions compound into a personality that exudes confidence, authenticity, and reliability. Another important aspect is integrity. Alignment between thoughts and actions is a reflection of integrity. Living according to your values and beliefs when your actions